What's up, everyone? Here, Scott coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf with another Done For You. This is 100% done for you. If you have an hour a day, you can fire your boss. Yes, I fired my boss in 2016, but first, I want you to make sure you smash the subscribe, hit the bell, so you never miss a video from me again, and ask yourself this question. Do you want to make $800, $2,400, $4,000 per sale that the company makes for you? Yes. I have a $50,000, 50K trophy standing right here because they made all those sales for me. Now I'm pushing on 100,000. So, and it's not just me. I'm going to show you in this video what exactly it is, how it works, and how you can get started immediately. And just so you know, so in case you don't go through this whole video, which I really urge you to do, I try to keep them as short as possible because this is so stupid simple. Anybody can do this. That you make sure you smash that subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a video from me again. So when you go to that link below in the description, you're just going to put your email address in here. Now I'm walking you through step by step like you're a brand new person, and you may ask what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when we're selling other people's things, and I'm going to get into that as well. So you're going to put your email address in here, and then you're going to go over to you're going to go to what they call a bridge page, all right? And you're going to watch this 14-minute and 16-second video. And what this does, this explains the whole entire opportunity. So be sure to watch this in full. Be sure to watch this in full because this is what's going to make you the $800, $2,400, and $4,000 directly to you. Just like you see right here, right there. He's holding a check with one of those as well. So this really, really, really works. So, and then it's going to take you to, once you're done watching this, you're going to come over here. You're going to click here to view the OCM products, bonuses, and more. Let me go through the product right now and take you through the bonuses. All right, and I have a personal bonus, and I'll get to that at the end. So be sure to stay to the end. Make sure you smash the subscribe, hit that bell, so you never, ever miss a video again. So after you watch that video on the bridge page, which is right here, and you click on here, and that's all can be done by going in the description below the video, okay? Right below the video. Everything is in the description, and the link is actually in the first comment as well, okay? I like to put them in the first comment. So basically, this is OCM. You're going to watch this video. This is the product and service explained. I'm going to explain it to you, and it's very, 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 very simple, okay? And what I like about this is done for you. And this is where the done for you part comes from, all right? So basically, when you get to this point, after reviewed, when you have questions and or when you're ready to get started, you're going to call this number. Yes, we have a team that takes the phone calls for you. That's part of one of the bonuses. As I scroll down, you'll see that. Our team takes care of all the talking, explaining, the onboarding, even sending the money to you because they have all your payment options that you give them. So when you get to this point, it's going to have a name of somebody. When you're watching this video and you go to the link below in the first comment or in the description, you're going to see my name and this number. You're going to call that number. You're going to leave a message. Tell them Scott Darvid sent you. And you've seen this on YouTube. Bob Housden, the owner of the Online Consistent Money System, is going to call you back, okay? He's going to give you a call back, and they're going to get you set up, answer any questions you have, just like Carol did. Now, Carol's loving OCM, loving her life here, okay? And your bonuses and what you get for going to help to six-figure income, okay? And let's scoot right down here to the bonus. Bonus number 1, I just mentioned it. You do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. Yes, all we do is get the eyeballs to there, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I do that many ways, and I have different universities that teach that. So once you're on my team, you'll be in these universities. You're also going to have a push button start as well because I'm going to start your business, okay? All right, bonus number 2, we make the sales for you. You keep 100% of commission. So when someone calls, one goes to your link and your name is here, they call, guess what? And that the Online Consistent Money System closes them, you're going to get $4,000, $2,400, or $800 sent directly to you. No middleman. It's direct to you, all right? So that's the bonus 3. Have questions before joining, no problem. You can schedule a call, text us, call anytime. The number to do is below, either Bob Hauser or one of the team members. Yes, we're very hands-on because we want you to succeed. And does OCM system really work? Okay, come on. Look at Dan from Naples, Florida. $12,800 in just 4 days. It works. And you just see my $50,000. That's my personal results. And I'm showing you other people's personal results because they do the work, you keep the commissions. It's as easy as that. It doesn't get any more difficult than this. Look at Michael C. in Alabama, okay? 4,200 in just 3 weeks. Will that make a difference in you? Would that help you fire your boss? Answer yes or no in the comments. Yes or no in the comments. All right? We close all the sales for you 100% free. That's correct. Once you're a member, folks. Once you're a member, you are a member, okay? All right, so what are we? We are OCM, and how does it work? Well, we got another one. Kevin C., 6,400 in just 1 week. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take you now to the OCM back office, okay, members area, and I'm going to explain to you what all this is, okay? All right, so we're going to come down to here. What we are is I'm a diamond, so we have gold, platinum, and diamond. Diamond is 5,000, platinum is 3,000, and gold is 1,000. All right. So what's the product? So what this is, you're getting a 10% discount on traffic, and we need this. I send traffic regularly to my business. That's why I am successful with even a 10K trophy here and a 25K trophy because I was consistent. But for starting out in certain things here, I'm going to send you your own traffic, all right? So that's the gold. Well, how about the platinum? What do you get with the platinum membership? Platinum membership here is going to allow you to make $2,400 commissions. I'm sorry, the gold allows you to get $800 commissions. Platinum 300 click order, 20% discount, okay? And when you join at the platinum, I am going to send you 300 clicks, all right? So that's a bonus for joining me when you join at the platinum. And then the diamond, this is where I'm at, okay? The diamond, where you get 40% off. When I first started, it was 30% off. They upped the ante. So when you start at the diamond with me, folks, you're going to get 40% off. Plus, I'm going to send you, all right, how many clicks? I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks to your link that looks exactly like this. And don't worry, they set everything up for you, okay? So I'm going to take you right back over to the where we were seeing the testimonials, and I want to show you one last thing. Now, you're really going to like this, okay? I'm going to scroll down. That's Bob Housden. They live in Destin, Florida. That's him and his family. He's the one who takes care of everything. He's been very good to me. He's very good to every member, and I'm very happy to be part of this, okay? Ready to get started, speak to somebody? You could click here to join the OCM marketing instructions. So this is going to give you detailed instructions in a list, so you can check it off if that's easier for you. And guess what, folks? We have 0% financing. So that's it. How fast can you start making life-changing money? Just ask OCM member Christina. She exploded into 10K earning club and hasn't slowed down. Congratulations to Christina. Ready to get started? Let's do it and do it together. All right, folks. The link is in the description and the first comment. I'll see you on my next video. And bye for now. Don't forget to smash subscribe and hit that bell.